Hi everyone, it's Monique and this is my vegan gluten-free bread recipe. Um, I've made this recipe at least 30 times over the years, and I can say the time it takes for the bread to cook varies almost every time I make this bread. Sometimes it takes longer, sometimes it takes less time depending on the environment I'm in. Sometimes I've been in really dry environments or humid, so I don't know if that affects it, but I know this time it took like an hour and 45 minutes for this bread to be fully cooked. Um, so keep that in mind when you're making it, but it's so good and it's so worth it, especially the crust. The crust on this bread recipe is delicious. You know, as children, many of us would take the crust off of our bread when we make sandwiches, and even as adults. But with this bread, you're not going to want to take the crust off. The crust is like the best part for me. It's so crispy and super flavorful, more flavorful than I imagined it would be. So, yeah, it's a great recipe. I hope you give it a try. If you want the full recipe with the written instructions and measurements, then visit my website, daytimevegan.com, and it will be on there. And I'll leave a link for that recipe, the written recipe, in the description box. So yeah, I hope you like the video, save it, leave a comment, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!